Ever noticed how your MacBook Neo doesn't have a simple refresh button like Windows? Yeah, it can feel a bit confusing at first, but don't worry. There are actually a few quick and easy ways to refresh your system. Let's go through 3 simple methods you can use anytime. First, if a specific app is not responding or acting weird, here's what you can do. Open Spotlight Search. Then head over to the CPU section. Search for the app that's causing trouble and double-click on it. After that, click on Sample, and you'll see a refresh option there. Hit Refresh, let it complete, and then save it to its location. This helps reset the app's activity and can often fix minor issues. Now, if you want to refresh the overall system, there are 2 easy ways. The first method is using Finder. Click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of your screen, then select Force Quit. From the list, choose Finder and click Relaunch. You'll notice your screen briefly blinks. That's a good sign. It means your system has refreshed. The second method is even quicker. Just press and hold the Shift, Option, and Command keys together. Then press the Escape key. Again, your screen will blink, indicating the system has refreshed. You can repeat this whenever needed. And that's it. 3 simple and effective ways to refresh your MacBook Neo, even without a dedicated refresh button. Thanks for your time.